Does making $130 in less than 1 hour sound appealing to you? If it does, make sure that you stick with me until the very end of this video. I have a ton of great content that I'm gonna be sharing with you today. I want to first and foremost let you know that this is very, very simple to do, and it can be done in 103 countries. So make sure that you stick with me until the very end. This is money that you can send directly to PayPal and directly to your bank account. So, like I said, very simple to do. If you are brand new to this channel, please make sure that you come over. Make sure that you check out all the videos that I have on my channel. I'm coming out with at least 2 very powerful videos every week teaching you how you can make money online. Also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you click that subscribe button. Make sure that you click that bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. And like I said, I'm coming out with at least 2 videos every week teaching you fabulous methods of how you can make money online. And last but not least, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. That is super important. It helps to get my content out to as many people as I possibly can to put money back in their pockets, and it also helps to grow my channel, and I'm always very grateful for every like that I get. So without further ado, let's jump into this. I know you're gonna like it. The name of the website that we're going to be focusing all of our attention on for the sake of this video today is called Coinbase.com, and I will leave a link in the description of this video that will bring you directly to the page that we are looking at right now. It will also help you establish your user account because you are going to need a user account to be able to do this. Now you're probably wondering, what in the heck, how am I going to make $130 in cryptocurrency? I know nothing about cryptocurrency. And first and foremost, I want to let you know that I know nothing about cryptocurrency as well. But what's great is you're gonna watch some very short videos, and you're gonna take a small quiz, and you're gonna get paid up to $130 in less than 1 hour that you can actually sell this cryptocurrency right on this same website right here, and then transfer that either to PayPal or directly to your bank account. So this is very, very simple to do, so make sure that you stick with me. Also, in the very beginning of this video, I told you that there's 103 participating countries, and I just wanted to show you the list of these countries. They got a ton on here, obviously 103, and just to go through here, they have some such as Ghana, Armenia, Hong Kong, India, Jordan, and the list just keeps going on. Philippines, Singapore, Taiwan. So you can come to this list. It's at the very bottom of their webpage. It says supported countries. So you can click on this, and then you can go through here and just make sure that your country is supported. So back to what we are going to be doing on this video. If you come over here to where it says products, after you've created your account, you're gonna click right here where it says earn, make money, learning about cryptocurrency. Like I said, you're going to be learning about cryptocurrency and getting paid for it. So you'll click right here, and then it's gonna bring you over to this page. Now, once you arrive on this page right here, this is exactly where you're going to start making money for learning about cryptocurrency. First and foremost, make sure that you have an account created so that you can participate in this. Like I said in the beginning, you're going to have an account. So now that we're on this page, I just want to run you through some of the examples and how exactly you're going to get paid. You want to make sure that you're paying attention to all these ones that say earn. These are the ones that you're going to watch the videos, take a short quiz, and then they're going to pay you in cryptocurrency that you can cash out to your bank account. And so if you see here, you can earn up to 20 DAI here, up to 50 EOS here, up to 50 stellar lumens right here, and then 10 basic attention tokens. So that's $130, and you can accomplish this in less than 1 hour, my friends. So check this out. DAI is a stable coin that aims to be worth exactly $1 US. So every 1 DAI is somewhere close to $1 US. You learn how it works, and then you will earn DAI. So the way to get started doing this, once you're logged in with your account, is you're going to click Start Course right here. And then once you get here, you're gonna wanna pay attention to where it says how much you're gonna earn for watching each one of these videos. And I wanna point out that it says 2-minute video, 2-minute video. So you're gonna earn 2 DAI for watching this 2-minute video, earn 2 DAI for watching this 2-minute video. So that's 2, 4, 6, and then you can get up to 14 DAI right here for watching this 10-minute tutorial. So very, very simple stuff. If we come back a page, this is the same thing for EOS. You can click Start Course, and then if you come through here, you're gonna earn 2 EOS for 3-minute video, earn another 2 EOS for another 3-minute video, and so on and so on. I want to point out with the EOS one that if you come down here to where it says advanced lessons, you can earn up to 40 of these just for referring this to your friends. So another great way to make some extra money by doing some very simple tasks. Now if you come back a little bit further down the page here, They have some examples that breaks out exactly what's going on here, and this is basically what we're talking about right now, but it makes it crystal clear for you. You can watch this short video that they have right here that breaks it down so that if there's any questions that you have, you can get those answers. And it basically says that Coinbase Earn lets you earn cryptocurrencies while learning about them in a simple and engaging way. So you're just basically learning about cryptocurrency and you're getting paid to do that. So simple, up to $130, just like I said, in less than 1 hour. So how does Coinbase Earn work? You're going to watch videos. They've created educational videos that teach you about the different cryptocurrencies, and then you're going to complete a quiz. After each video, you'll receive a simple quiz testing what you've learned. So a very simple quiz, and then you're going to earn. You'll receive crypto in your Coinbase wallet for every quiz that you've completed, and then you can get started today. This is 100% free. You don't have to pay any money to get started doing this. And then, like I said, you want to make sure that you create your account, that you link your bank account or your PayPal account, and then basically what happens here is once you've earned that cryptocurrency, you can buy and sell that cryptocurrency right on this website. So you can cash that cryptocurrency out, send it straight to your PayPal account or directly to your bank account, and then take that money and do whatever you would like with it. Obviously, it is your money. So that's all I have for you today. That's how you can get started making $130 in less than 1 hour just learning about cryptocurrency. However, if you are anything like me and you want life-changing results where you can create passive income, where you can create a life of freedom, where you can fire your boss, where you can quit your job, or maybe you're just trying to get time back on your side, maybe you need a more flexible work arrangement, make sure that you check out the link directly beneath this video. That's exactly where I started 5 months ago, and I have had life-changing results. That is no joke. I cannot be any more serious. Check that out. Also, like I said in the very beginning of this video, if you are brand new, make sure that you come over here. Make sure that you have clicked the bright red subscribe box right here. Make sure that you hit this bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. And then last but not least, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. I'm trying to get this content out to as many people as possible. That helps to grow my channel. I'm very thankful for every like that I get. And don't forget to comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there's some information that you'd like me to discuss in one of my videos that will be coming out in the future. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching till the very end. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.